Did you know water has been a big problem for the world in the recent years?
If we continue wasting that amount of water, our earth will become a desert.
When you throw away food, you are wasting water.
You use water appropriately when you are using it for a necessity. For example, drinking water is a very important necessity.
The difference between using and wasting is that you use water when it is necessary and you are using it inappropriately.
Water scarcity is happening because we eat too much meat.
On average, a family of 4 in the US wastes 1,200 gallons of water a day.
One family of 4 uses 400 gallons of water properly out of 1,800 gallons of water in a good way.
If we eat meat once or twice a week, a lot of water will be saved.
Trying to be vegetarian can help a lot.
Eating other types of meat uses less water than beef.
1 pound of chicken meat uses 468 gallons of water.
1 pound of goat meat uses 127 gallons of water.
1 pound of pork meat uses 576 gallons of water.
1 pound of sheep meat uses 731 gallons of water.
Another way we can solve this problem is convincing mom and dad to cook food without meat.
1 pound of beef uses 1,799 gallons of water.
If everyone helps by eating less meat, we can save the world.
Bye, Sofía Padilla and Juan Jorge Sayer.